Hey guys, it's Sadie and I am so glad to be back filming in my normal room. I have been away for competitions for a long time and I've been so busy with school and everything, so I'm so sorry that I missed last week for uploading, but I'm so excited for this video because I got really inspired to film this and I have so many tips that I'm going to be sharing today. So let's just get right into it because this is going to be a really helpful video. I hope it will be a really helpful video. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a video on how to clean / reorganize / declutter / refresh. I will never do that again. Your electronics, because these things and these things are a huge part of our lives, and I feel like my electronics are kind of getting cluttered. I use my electronics a lot, and when they're cluttered I feel like my mentality is cluttered. Does that make any sense? I just feel like everything's disorganized in my electronics and I should be clearing up space and I should be refreshing them and making them feel as good as new. So today I'm going to be sharing some really nice tips and things that you can do that are simple to make your electronics all decluttered and clean and organized. So if you want to hear my tips, then let's get into it. Yeah. And a lot of you were asking on my last Instagram post where, sorry my nose is itchy, where my phone case is from. It's this phone case. I think it has a glare. This phone case is from Get Chroma and I have a Instagram post on that on my Instagram. So if you want to get some cases like this, head over to Get Chroma on Instagram and they also have a website. Yay. The first category that I'm going to be talking about is deleting. Removing stuff from your life that is not making you happy and that is just unnecessary. The first thing I would say is to go through your laptop and your phone and delete all the apps, the files, the documents, softwares, anything that you haven't used in the past like 5 months or you think that you will literally never use. I had so many games on my phone that I never play because I don't have time to play games, and I was just like delete, delete, delete because I don't need you taking up my space. You know? My second thing that I would recommend doing is deleting all of your unwanted music. I used to have a bunch of music on my laptop and on my phone. By the way, I deleted my Apple Music, so you can follow me on Spotify. Plug. Okay, bye. So I deleted all of the music that I don't listen to anymore, and that freed up more than 2 gigabytes on my phone. So make sure that you go to your iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, Pandora, and delete all the songs that you'll probably never listen to. You can always get them again, but it's just good to have that space. Next, you can go through all of your text messages and delete all the ones that you probably won't use. I have this thing where I can text my teachers if I needed help with something, and I had the messages from my teachers from last year, which I will probably never use again unless I want to like catch up with my teachers. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So I just suggest freeing up space by deleting your unwanted conversations, because you can always start new conversations, but space is good to have. I deleted my unwanted conversations and I freed up more than 1.5 gigabytes. The next category is organizing, and this is, I just love organizing. Like if you saw me organizing my room or my desk tour, you guys know that I love organizing, making everything clean, everything in its place. My first idea would be to organize your photos into different albums. Not a lot of people do this, but I think it's a really good idea because then you can separate them into like travel, YouTube, fashion inspiration, social media. I also recommend making a album that you're going to transfer those pictures and put them onto like a hard drive or a laptop, so you can free up space on your phone for more pictures. Secondly, this is probably really simple, but just organizing your music into playlists, maybe into moods or different situations. I have a chill and a faves playlist, and I'm probably gonna make a get ready with me playlist or a shower playlist. Next, you should organize your apps by frequency or by subject or group or topic. So I have my apps organized from what I use the most on the first page, and then the second page is like sometimes I use them, but they're also in folders, and I don't think I have a last page. You can quickly access the apps that you need a lot, and then you can put all the apps that you don't use frequently to the side so they're not cluttering up your first screen. And those are all my tips for organizing. Next is a social media category. My first tip would be to go through all of the people that you're following. Take like an hour out of your time. That's how long it took me. And I unfollowed all of the people who don't make me happy or don't inspire me or just people that I don't want to see cluttering up my feed, and that is including YouTube subscriptions. Go through your YouTube subscriptions, Twitter, following people, Pinterest, Instagram, everything. My next tip would be to unsubscribe from all those emails that you get from like stores and all these different like online softwares or stuff that you've signed up for but you're never going to use again. Those subscriptions are so annoying. I literally unsubscribe from all the ones that you will never need, and that will clear up your email, and your email takes up a lot of storage, so clear all that out and get rid of the unwanted stuff. And also I recommend you organize your emails into categories. I have categories: school, YouTube, I have a JDRF 2018 one for all of the files and the important information, and then I have dance, and I have subcategories so everything's organized. And if I'm ever like looking for a contract or something, I can just go to my YouTube and then I can just like have it pronto right there, you know? Now we're moving on to the techie stuff. What I mean by techie stuff is like the software and like the stuff that's technological about your devices. Okay, my first tip would be to update to the latest version of your phone or your laptop. So if you have Apple, update to the latest iOS. I don't know what it is for Samsung. That'll probably fix a lot of issues if you're having, or glitches. This next tip has been so helpful. First, it doesn't let you waste so much time on your phone. Second of all, it declutters your screen so much, and it just makes you feel like everything's in its place, everything's organized, everything's good. It would be to turn off notifications and badges for all of your apps, or basically all of them. I turned off all of my notifications and all of my badges for every single app except text messages. I used to spend a lot of time going into each app to get rid of that red bubble. Now I don't do that. I just go into the app whenever I want to. It makes me spend so much less time on my phone that I could have been doing something else that's more important. If you have a data plan on your phone, I would definitely suggest to go through all of your apps and turn off background app refresh. I recently did this and it saved me a lot of data on my phone, because you don't want them to refresh in the background, and it'll save so much battery life if they're not constantly refreshing, getting new data every single time you turn on your phone. So turn those off, and that will save you a bunch of battery and data. My last techie tip would be to reset your data statistics. Reset your data statistics. Reset your data statistics. Reset your data statistics. You go into your phone and you go to settings, cellular, and you scroll down to the bottom and it says reset statistics. I would do this every single time that your plan resets, so you can know exactly how many minutes or how much data you've used, and it's just like nice to know so you don't get charges. My last tip is to pretty it up, and by that I just mean like making your phone and your laptop aesthetically pleasing. My first thing would be to get a new wallpaper depending on the season or depending on something that has happened that you just want to remember. Right now mine is this, and it's a picture of my friend Serena and I when we were wearing jerseys for the Broncos day. Next, I would switch out your profile pictures, because it's nice to have a new and revamped profile picture. It's just fun. Go take some nice quality pictures and set it as your new profile. People will be like, oh, she got a new profile. So yeah, that's just a fun thing to do. Next, I would say to physically clean your electronics and make them seem new again. What I do is I take a damp microfiber cloth. I don't think it has to be microfiber. You can just take like any cloth, and you wipe down your screen, on the back of it, like the keyboards, in between the keys. I used to have food like in between. It was disgusting. Take your phone case off, take your laptop case off if you have one, wipe everything down, and then take a dry towel and wipe it over again. Lastly, if you want to go that extra mile, you can treat yourself to a new case or a new screen protector. I just got a new case from Get Chroma. You can get a new screen protector, which has made my phone literally indestructible because I drop it like 45 times every single day. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you guys got some tips. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hard times, gonna make you wonder why you even try.